Okay. It is the 14th or 15th of October. The sun is shining. It's a Tuesday. I just came back from the chiropractic because I bent over to pick something up and had a searing pain in my lower back. So I saw a chiropractor. Luckily she was there and she has adjusted my lower back. It still hurts, but I'm going to go for a ride and see how this all works out. I'm not sure if you can see my mouth moving or something moving while I'm speaking, but that's how it is. I gotta go and get some coffee. Let's get some caffeine and see how the ride goes. Ride carefully over these things. I hate those things. I should have cleaned them up, but I'll get them next time. Alright, 12:14 on the PM. A nice sunny cool ride to Pecosen. Here we bally well go. Tally ho, and off we jolly well go. Looks like that car's on fire. Someone must be vaping. Vaping like a vaping thing. It's been a year since I stopped smoking. Good God, look at that. So this time when I stopped smoking, I went to my doctor. And got him to prescribe me a drug called Chantix, which is an antidepressant. I have tried the Chantix before, but I think the dosage may have been wrong, because that gave me horrendous, vivid dreams. But that last time I managed to stop smoking as well. But not like this, because even after stopping smoking then, I was still hooked on nicotine. I was chewing nicotine gum like it was going out of fashion. This time I took Chantix for about 20 days, maybe 25 days. It wasn't a whole month's prescription, and I just stopped smoking. And I was a 2-pack a day guy, at least 2 packs a day. I stopped smoking. I didn't start vaping. The first few days after stopping was a little difficult, but not too bad. I have cravings every now and again. Every now and again when I see someone light up a cigarette, I go, I would like a cigarette. But that's about it. So the Chantix did its job this time. Maybe I was more willing to stop. So it's been about 12 months. I have to admit though, I have put on some weight. I've got quite tubby. I've gone up a size in pants. So I used to be a 32, now I'm a 34. Sometimes I can get into a 33. But some of my European large size shirts I have feel a little bit tight. I went from an average of around 178 pounds up to 188 pounds. That was 10 pounds I put on. One of the side effects, though, of not smoking seems to be my severe no desire to exercise. When I was smoking, I was training in kickboxing at least 3 times a week, sometimes 4. After stopped smoking, that's it, you know. I just don't smoke anymore. I just don't exercise anymore. And I just cannot be bothered, which is really weird. See, even in the middle of October, Virginia is beautiful. Look at this. The trees are still full of green leaves. There's no sign that autumn is happening at all. Middle of October. Oh, look, motorcycle parked out front. Oh God, look at that. That doesn't look good. I must have passed under that 1,000 times before, but today just does not look good. I'm not playing music today because the last video I posted that had music on, they were saying this video contains copyrighted material. Bloody annoying that I can't have the radio on. I suppose I could put the radio on in my helmet. Might not be a bad idea, actually. What is this Clojo doing? Clojo is a Dutch expression meaning klootzak, which means ball bag, testicle sack, scrotum, Clojo. Oh God, I don't know where that came from. Alright, so where's he going to go? What's the guess? Oh, I would not have guessed that way. Yes, I think I'll turn the radio on in my helmet. Turn on the cardio pack talk. Now I'm going to attempt to talk to the cardio pack talk and get the radio to turn on. Say, hey cardio, radio on. Oh my God, it worked. 106.9. And it's playing Girls, Girls, Girls. Oh yes, this is North Mallory Street, isn't it? I'm about to turn on to. But we'll see. And I readjusted the Drift Ghost X camera. See if I get a better view now.